Today I'm checking out a powerful professional scan tool, the Launch X431 PADVII Elite. If you work on cars, run a shop, or just want dealer-level diagnostics at home, this scanner might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's jump in and see what it can really do. Inside the box, you get the PADVII Elite tablet, the Smart Diagnostic Connector, OBD2 cable, charging cable and power adapter, and a carrying case. Everything you need to start scanning right away. All right, let's break down the advanced features. The Launch X431 PADVII Elite is a high-end tablet-style OBD2 scanner. It's designed to diagnose almost every vehicle system. Not just engine codes, but things like transmission, ABS, airbags, body modules, and much more. Think of it as a mini dealership scanner in tablet form. It makes your intelligent diagnosis faster with the optimized chipset upgrade operating system and large memory dynamic HD cameras that allow for bird's eye views. The X431 PADVII is more intelligent than ever with the powerful SmartLink VCI U are available to perform remote diagnosis without being on site and the limitation of diagnostic functions, tools, and vehicle types. Quick access ADAS calibration features through the ADAS module in conjunction with a Launch ADAS calibration product. It provides numbers of built-in repair guidance and training videos to assist technicians to track and fix the diagnostic faults efficiently. Solve high-level faults with advanced modules such as Video Scope Oscilloscope TP, MS Key Immobilizer, and Sensor Box by adding on with the X431 PADVII. Let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: very wide vehicle coverage, professional level diagnostics, many service functions, wireless connection, easy to use interface. Cons: higher price than basic scanners, maybe overkill for casual users. Who should buy this? Professional mechanics, mobile technicians, serious DI years, small repair shops. The Launch X431 PADVII Elite is a powerful, reliable, and feature-packed diagnostic scanner. If you want deep diagnostics and advanced functions, this is a solid choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions.